Ready to ditch the 9-to-5 and become a top-tier freelancer? Then this video is your express ticket to getting approved on Toptal. Let's break down the steps to conquer Toptal's tough application process. First things first, initial application. You'll complete an online form showcasing your skills, expertise, and experience. Be honest and highlight your best work. Think quality over quantity. Next up, the skills assessment. This includes a series of tests designed to evaluate your technical abilities and soft skills. Prepare in advance. Brush up on relevant skills, practice coding challenges, and work on your communication. Show Toptal you're detail-oriented and can hit the ground running. Ace the initial tests. Awesome. Now it's time for the technical screening by dedicated Toptal engineers. Will be assessed on real-world problem solving and collaboration. Be ready to explain your process, show your thought process, and demonstrate your skills. Okay. Now the communication is a key. So you might get a project screening. This stage involves a project to reveal your communication skills, project management abilities, and understanding of client needs. Showcase your ability to think strategically, follow instructions, and provide feedback constructively. Finally, successful applicants get a chance to start the trial project, and then, if all goes well, you're in. You'll now have access to Toptal's high-quality clients and the opportunity to make serious money. Build a strong portfolio and keep it updated as you get more experience. You've got this. Remember to showcase your best work, be prepared, and never stop learning. Subscribe for more freelance tips and start your Toptal journey today. Don't forget to review the description for links to help you prepare for the application.